Next part of this lesson, I'm going to take a look at page 30, number 19. So it says Quinn looks at this equation, x minus 5 times x minus 6 equals 2, and says that since the equation is in factored form, it can be solved as follows. So he took each factor, set it equal to 2, added 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, added 6, 2 plus 6 is 8. Explain to Quinn why this is incorrect and show her the correct way to solve the equation. Well, she's incorrect because the equation must be set equal to 0 first. Then you can factor and solve. So she did not use the zero product property because this was not equal to 0, it was equal to 2. So what we're going to do here to solve this equation, I have to multiply out this x minus 5 times the x minus 6. So I'm just going to use a Punnett square to do that. X minus 5, x minus 6, x times x squared. Negative 6 times x is negative 6x. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 6 times negative 5 is negative 30. So I have x squared minus, I have negative 6 minus another 5 is negative 11x plus 30 equals 2. So I need to get this equation set equal to 0. So I'm going to subtract 2. So I have x squared minus 11x plus 28 equals 0. Now I can factor. I need numbers that add to negative 11, that multiply to 28. It's going to be a 7 and a 4, but both signs need to be negative because they're adding up to a negative 11. So I have x squared with the 28 minus 7x minus 4x. Now I'm going to find greatest common factors here. Now I went through that relatively quickly, but it's the same process that we've been following all along. So this becomes x minus 7 times x minus 4 equals 0. I can now apply the zero product property. Add 7, add 4. So I get x equals 7 and x equals 4. So just going back to why Quinn did this incorrectly, she did not get the equation set equal to 0 first. So she never used the zero product property. So at this point, what you're going to do is you're going to take a look at your yellow zero product property check of understanding, and you're going to do question 1. If you need to rewatch this video to help you, you can, but you're going to do that yellow zero product property check of understanding question 1.